Hey guys, this is a DIY video on how to put an aftermarket intake on your car. I've wanted to do this for several years, but now I'm on my third car. I thought, I have enough experience and I understand the risks involved that I'd just tackle it. I hope that it removes some apprehension that you might be feeling as well, wanting to work on your own car. It's usually easy. It takes a bit of creativity, but you can do it. I believe in you. So I feel like the video is very self-explanatory, so I won't be commenting a lot. I'll just chime in at points where clarification is necessary. So we're about to start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is where we ran into our first problem, and is basically fitment. As you can see, it can't fit properly with the included materials, so I had to jump on Amazon and grab a silicone hose in an elbow shape, which allowed me to fit it a little bit horizontally in the engine room. Alright, the next problem was connecting the silicone hose to the black hose that was already in the car, which was connected to the throttle body. And I achieved that by just going to the hardware store and grabbing a short piece of pipe that could fit the inner diameter snugly and connect the two together, and this is the end product. I'm pretty happy with it. I ended up securing it in place using really long zip ties. I've been driving with it for 4 months. I did a disassembly last week and I found no dust or buildup inside, and there's a slight boost, I think, for throttle response.